Hey y'all, I'm gonna show you how to do a quick 5-minute updo for my curly haired girls. Whether it's gonna be raining, you're going to an event, or your hair just won't cooperate, I promise this will take care of it, and it's not rocket science. All you're gonna need is a ponytail holder, some bobby pins, and if you wanna be a little extra and you wanna do some teasing, you'll just wanna grab a comb. So you just grab your ponytail holder, and I'm going to sweep my hair up and over to the side for a low ponytail. You have the option to grab a comb and do a little bit of teasing if you want some more volume. So what I'm gonna do is start out up here in the top. I'm gonna end up dividing my hair into sections. It'll probably end up being 3 to 4. So all I do is grab this top section, the first one I'm gonna use, and literally roll it back on itself and kind of splay it out a little bit. Grab your bobby pin and then just pin the piece of hair in place. Now I'm just gonna grab the next section, just pull it up and over the ponytail and take my bobby pin and stick it right through there to hold it in place. And you guys, what's so great about this is you pretty much can't mess it up. It really is so simple, and the beautiful thing is you want it to be messy. It's a messy look. So if pieces fall, if you want to make it messier after we're done, we can easily do that with just our fingers and replacing some more bobby pins. So this last section, it looks like from the side, I've got a hole down here at the bottom. So we just roll it under the base of the ponytail holder and secure it in place. It's just making it your own. So sometimes I'll pull from the center to get it to have a little bit more volume. If my hair falls while I'm out at an event or dancing, that's fine because it really just enhances the messy look of it. So I'm gonna start pulling more face framing pieces. I'll pull volume down, out, and back from here. I'll fluff up here. And then the last thing you can do is if you want a hairspray, get it a few inches back from your face and just spray as normal. Ta-da! Curly hair girls, enjoy this hairstyle. Hope y'all love it. See y'all next time.